Hey everyone, this is a brief lesson based on a grammatical concept called demonstrative pronouns. If you are confused with the use of this, that, these, and those, then this lesson is definitely for you. I'm going to thoroughly discuss the difference between this and that, these and those, and I'm going to use certain examples to make you understand how it works. So let's move to the discussion. Well, this, that, these and those are called demonstrative pronouns in terms of grammar. So the technical name for this group is demonstrative pronouns. Now let's get to know what are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that point out at something or they show something. All right, so let's first start with this. The first thing you need to know about this as a demonstrative pronoun is this is used to refer to something that is singular. You could use this to refer to a thing or a person as well, right? An object as well. So it is used to refer to things that are singular. This is a marker. It is singular. So I can say this is a marker. So this is used for singular things, objects, or person. The second thing we need to understand is when we use this, we feel that the object we are talking about, the person we are talking about, is near or closer to us. So whenever you say, hey, meet my friend, or this is my friend, so it means that the person is near to you or closer to you, right? So this is a marker. So you can see that this marker is very close to me, even I'm holding it. So the concept is when you are using this, you feel that the object or the person is near or closer to you. And the third thing we need to know about the use of this is this needs singular helping verb. So when you use this as a subject, so the preceding helping verb will be in singular form. For example, a person and a book. So the person says, this is my book. This is my book. So we can say, see the person here and the object here. So they're close to each other, right? And secondly, the helping verb is in the singular form. We can't say, this are my book. It would be wrong. This is my book. This is my friend, not this are my friend. So we need singular verb with this. Now, moving to that. Now, that is also used to refer to an object, a thing, or a person when it exists in the singular form, right? So we also use that to refer to anything that is singular, right? And we use that to refer something that is far or away from us. Remember, in this, we used to refer to things that are near to us or closer to us. Now, in that, the object or the thing could be singular, but is away from us, right? Is far from us. And the third thing we need to know that that when that is used as a subject, it needs a singular helping verb, right? So let's look at this example. the person is here and the book is here. So we see that and there is distance between the person and the object, right? So that is my book. So when you say that is my book, so you are referring to an object, a thing that is away from you or far from you, right? So in this example, we could see that after that we have used singular helping verb. So we can't say that are my books or that were my books. That is my book, right? So that needs a singular helping verb. I hope you've understood. Now let's proceed to these and those. These is a demonstrative pronoun we use to refer things, objects, or people when they are in the plural form. All right? For example, now I can say these are markers, right? So it means that you use these when you refer to plural objects, right? Okay. The second thing we need to know about the use of these is when an object, a person, or thing is near or closer to you, you could say these people, these books, all right? And then the third thing that these, when it's used as a subject, it needs plural helping verb. Now, in the case of this, we used singular helping verb. Now, in the case of these, we are going to use plural helping verb. Now, the person is here and the person is saying, these are my books. So we could feel that the person is referring to books that are closer to him, right? So these are my books, right? So the count 1, 2, it means that it's in the plural form. So we can say these. When the object is singular, we say this. When the object is plural, it means more than one, we say these. So all right, now moving to the last concept, those. Those is a demonstrative pronoun used to refer to objects or things or people when they exist in the plural form. So the first thing we need to know that we use those to refer to plural objects. The second thing, we use those to refer to object, things, or people when they are far or away from us. And the last thing, that when those is used as a subject in a sentence, it needs a plural helping verb. Let's look at this example. The person standing here refers to the book saying, those are my books. Now, let's count it 1, 2. It means it is in the plural form, not book, books, right? So the person is here and we can see that there is distance between the person, the subject, and the object. So the subject says, those are my books. So let's see if it fulfills the requirement. It should be in the plural form. Yes, it is in the plural form. It should be far away from the speaker, right? Yes, of course it is far away from the speaker. And lastly, it needs, the subject needs a plural helping verb. So those are my books, not those is my books or those was my books. It would be wrong. So I hope this discussion will help you indeed to, know what is the difference between these pair of words, this, that, these, and those. So if this lesson has been beneficial for you, stay connected for the upcoming lessons, since I'm going to start a basic series of lesson on grammatical concepts. And if you are new to this channel, let me tell you, this is Learn English with Mir, and you must subscribe and stay connected for the upcoming lessons. So thanks for watching and bye for now.